So, have you guys ever used a microphone for some extended amount of time, and you realize it's been a while. It's been a while since I've cleaned this microphone, since I've made sure that that it's functioning as expected. Well, I have with me an old capsule, specifically the original capsule that came with my Aston Spirit. Now, this thing was giving me problems, and I ended up replacing it, but I had a thought. What if I cleaned the capsule? What if I made it better? What if I made sure that it was pristine and in working order? Well, let's take a look. The first thing you want to do, you want to take your capsule and you want to clean the outside of it. To start with, I'm going to be using regular dish soap in order to achieve this. I like to sometimes use a toothbrush. It just really gets in all the cracks. The next thing you want to do is take out all of the screws and the attached wires. With these removed, now you can get to the inside of the capsule. Go ahead and take the capsule apart. Now that you've taken it apart, now you can do the same. You can rinse and repeat. Once your scrubbing is done, I like to get a little plastic bowl and some warm water. I like to rinse off each component of the capsule. After you've rinsed all of the soap off of these pieces of the capsule, I like to let them sit in warm water for a little while, maybe 20 minutes. Once that's done, now your capsule is perfectly clean. I'm going to go ahead and shoot this so that you guys can see me doing it too. All you have to do is put the capsule back together. In order to do that, all you have to do is make sure that the screws on the outer ring of the capsule are really tightened down as hard as you can. Don't worry about stripping them. Remember, this is very strong. And you want to make sure that your capsule never falls apart during use. You want to make sure that there's enough tension on here to ensure reliable performance every single time. So go ahead and tighten them all the way down as much as you can. Now, you can put your capsule back into the microphone. No worries. It's going to work perfectly. Thank you guys for listening today. Do not do this to your capsule. If you do, I hold no responsibility. But I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time.